SITA is a multinational information technology company providing IT and telecommunication services to the air transport industry. The company provides its services to over 430 members and 2,800 customers worldwide, which is around 90% of the world's airline business. History. SITA is Société Internationale de Télécommunications or Aeronautics, was founded in February 1949 by 11 airlines in order to bring about shared infrastructure cost efficiency by combining their communications networks. The 11 original airlines were Air France, KLM, Sabena, Swissair, TWA, British European Airways Corporation, BEAC, British Overseas Airways Corporation, BOAC, British South American Airways, BSAA, Swedish AG, Aerotransport, Danish Airlines, and Norwegian Airlines. SITA was the first company to handle data traffic in real-time via a packet switch network over common carrier-leased lines. Expansion. In 1989, computer reservations systems, aerospace manufacturers, tour operators, air freight forwarders, airport authorities, and other organizations in the air transport industry began joining SITA as members. The company today provides a range of IT solutions as well as infrastructure and communication services for the air transport industry. Having evolved from its early days of providing only network services, SITA presently operates in over 200 countries and territories, and its customers include airlines, airports, air freight, international freight forwarders, travel and distribution, global distribution systems, governments, aerospace, ground handlers and air traffic control. Company structure. SITA is owned by members of the air transport industry, who make up the SITA Board and SITA Council. The company has the remit of working with the air transport community for the benefit of all members. This includes cooperation with industry bodies, such as IATA, ACI and regional associations, aiming to solve common industry issues through the use of IT and telecommunication services. Through development of community systems, industry standards and shared infrastructures for aviation. SITA also produces industry surveys including the airline IT trends, airport IT trends and passenger IT trends surveys, as well as working jointly with IATA on the industry's baggage report. Subsidiaries. SITA has 5 main subsidiaries. SITA, launched in 2005. On-Air provides onboard connectivity solutions that enable passengers to connect to the Internet on devices such as laptops and smartphones, as well as make and receive phone calls and text message, and access to wireless in-flight entertainment. On-Air combined with SITA's aircraft business in 2015 to provide aircraft enablement services and is known as SITA On-Air. CHAMP Cargo Systems. CHAMP is an IT company working solely in the air cargo industry, providing services for carriers and distributors. In November 2011, CHAMP acquired TRAXON Europe, an electronic air cargo company, in order to prepare for new International Air Transport Association (IATA) initiatives such as IATA Freight and Cargo IQ. Aviarato. Aviarato is a joint venture between SITA and the Irish government. Aviarato and the International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO), the supervisory authority of the International Registry, agreed that Aviarato would establish and operate the International Registry of Mobile Assets. Comnet Software. Comnet Software is a turnkey provider of comprehensive passenger communication solutions with more than 170 systems installed across 6 continents. SITA Bureau Services, in partnership with CANSO and Airways, SITA Bureau Services, SBS, brings flight yield to market, an invoicing, collection and revenue management service for ANSPs and airports. Products and services. SITA's portfolio services include airport operations, including airport management, safety and security, and passenger processing. Aircraft operations, including operational communications, aircraft services, for EFBs, and in-flight communications. Baggage operations, cargo operations, commercial management, including distribution, fares and pricing, revenue optimization, and voice and convergence. Communications and infrastructure, including hybrid networks, airport operational communications, community messaging, and infrastructure management. Passenger operations, transportation security, including border management. SITA's shared infrastructures include airport hubs, Airport Connect, Qt and bag message services, as well as systems for passenger processing, reservations and fares. Community systems and standards. The community systems provided by SITA for the air transport industry include World Tracer, baggage tracking, bag message, global exchange of IATA standard baggage messages, Type B, IATA standard messaging, iBorders, border management solutions, cargo community system, global electronic data interchange, passenger handler, multi-departure control system, common agent check-in, bag drop and boarding application, aiming to simplify communications and processes for air transport. SITA works with around 20 industry bodies and standards committees to set standards. The company has approximately 40 participants in 55 different standard-setting working groups. The organizations SITA works with include IATA, Air Cargo Inc., Airlines for America, ICAO and the FAA, plus AAAE, ACC, Association of European Airlines, CANSO, Open Travel Alliance, ITU, the World Customs Organization and the World Trade Organization. The working groups SITA is involved in include IATA Type 10, IATA Common Use, Artery Business, ICAO AFSG, ACI ACRIS and Eurocontrol SWIM. Examples of standards include messaging, ADS-B, Type 10 communications, Aero ID and Common Use self-service, traceability, Ortoid, transportation security, border management data hub, passenger management, common use passenger processing system, CUPPS, research and development. The company's achievements include first iPad kiosk to sell tickets, first augmented reality application for an airline, social booking and check-in engine on Facebook with deep social network integration, managing passenger flow at airports through geolocalization, in-flight mobile portal developed with On Air, world's smallest full-function check-in kiosk, first passenger bag drop solution, which allows a single bag drop counter to be used to service passengers from multiple airlines, CUPPS, common use passenger processing system, technology, a replacement for the Qt, common used terminal equipment, check-in and boarding standard used today. SITA worked with IATA and other bodies to introduce this capability, which will save the air transport industry millions of dollars. First service provider to achieve CUPPS compliance certification and to successfully complete its CUPPS pilot program. SITA works with business partner Orange Business Services on joint projects, and is also involved with the industry research programs ECAB, Total Airport, SWIM, and SESAR. Additionally, the company focuses on institutional and academic research through teams at MIT, Cambridge and Montreal Universities. Industry recognition. IT Company of the Year 2015. Second time in 4 years. Air Transport News Awards. Aviation IT Service Provider of the Year 2014. Second year running. Africa. African Airlines Association. AFRAA. Best Airport IT Service Provider 2014. Emerging Markets Airport Awards. Best Passenger Assistance Initiative for Virgin Atlantic's Google Glass Project. And Best Mobile Technology Initiative for American Airlines Beacon Deployment at Dallas-Fort Worth Airport 2014. Future Travel Experience Global Smart Technology Award. The Wearables 2014. SITA and Virgin Atlantic Airways 2014. Oracle Excellence Award for Sustainability Innovation 2014. Oracle Leadership Award for Finance. Europe, Middle East and Africa 2013. PMI Atlanta Chapter Project of the Year Award. Frost & Sullivan Global Customer Value Enhancement Award in Border Control 2011. CAPA, the Center for Aviation IT Innovation of the Year Award. The Emerging Markets Airports Awards. EMAA, Best IT Services Provider 2013, 2011, 2010. Airport IT Solutions Provider of the Year. Frost & Sullivan, Asia Pacific, and TNOOZ Gold Medal winner for innovation. References. External links. Official website. Air Transport IT Review, SITA's external newsletter. Air Transport IT Summit, the annual forum for the industry's IT leaders. On Air official website. SITA Network in 1973. IATA official website. ICAO official website. Chrétien, G. J. Koenig, W. M. Rec. J. H. 1973. The SITA Network. Proceedings of the NATO Advanced Study Institute on Computer Communication Networks. Sussex, United Kingdom. Nordhoff International Publishing. pp. 373-396.